Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I'm a stay-at-home mama to two sweet little boys, and in today's video I showed you what I made for dinner. In today's video it is a meatloaf, and this is the first time I've ever made meatloaf, and I will have the recipe in the description box below. But I just took 2 pounds of ground beef and 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and Italian seasoning and paprika, and then I think it was 1/4 cup of water. It calls for milk, but because we're dairy free, I just put in water and it worked out just the same.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
So I had all of that mixed in. I took about a cup of tomato sauce and mixed that in as well.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Then once you have all that mixed up, you just want to spray your casserole dish and transfer your meat over into it.
Nobody told me to settle down.
Then just put your meatloaf into the oven at 375 for 40 minutes.
Something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe
While that is cooking, we are going to work on the sauce. So the first thing I do is I pour in the rest of that tomato sauce into a bowl. Grab some Worcestershire sauce. I want to say I probably used about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and then some brown sugar. Just measure with your heart, don't measure with cups, because that's what I did right here. I didn't really measure anything, but all you want to do is add all that together, mix it, and you're good to go.
nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like.
Okay, so once the 40 minutes is up, you just want to take out your meatloaf, and we're going to pour that sauce over the meatloaf and then put the meatloaf back into the oven for another 15 minutes.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
While that was cooking, I just quickly made some, it's not Kool-Aid, it's just one of those drink mixes from Walmart. It is orange, strawberry, banana, and it is sugar-free. So I just filled up our gallon jug with some cold water and then added in 2 packs of that mix. And Parker loves this mix, so immediately when he saw that I was making it, he had to get himself a cup.
Can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
Sides with the meatloaf, I didn't do much. I just put some golden kernel corn into the microwave with some seasonal salt and onion powder, and that was good enough for us because we do not like to have a lot of sides when we have such a heavy entree.
There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be.
And there you have it, guys. That is how I make my meatloaf. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever made it, but it turned out so good. Let me know if you try it down below, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, wherever you are.
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think